Welcome to my blog, Socials or Tanveer's social presentation. Today, being a Radha International School Yambu teacher, I feel proud to bring this today's topic to you. A company known as Notebook, 0 Hour, powered by Stay Free, in partnership with the Save the Children, today organized they are organizing a debate. So today there was a debate in the pool Group C between the Radha International School Yambu and the Orchids International School BTM layout, Bangalore, at 5 p.m. today, according and 2:30 according to the Saudi time. 4 students participated from Radha International School from our schools, Sai Shakti, and Ayush participated, 12th class science students. From Bangalore School, Aparajita Dheeraj Bhattacharya and Mr. Nishchal. Aparajita being a science girl and Nishchal being the commerce student from 12th class. So 2 were for and 2 were for against the topic. And the topic was the human mankind has gone overboard with automation. The House believes. The judges were the Philip Garrett and 2 educators were there. Mrs. Muthira Froze from Radha International School and Mr. Deepthi from Bangalore School, Orchard School. So first round was for 95-100 marks, in which Sai Shakti was opened the debate for the topic. She spoke very well. His throw of the words were very good. His gestures were very good. His voice was very nice and loud. But still somehow she was not able to impress the judges very much. So she got 97, 94 and 71 respectively from Deepthi Madam, Muthira Madam and this Philip Garrett. Then it was the turn of Aparajita, who was against the topic to speak. Her voice was low, but she spoke very well, but her voice was low, gestures were very minimum. But still he got 90, 93 and 93 respectively from 3 judges. Then it was the turn of Nishchal. His speech was slow, gestures were not very well there. He stopped also between because the mobile rang. You were looking here and there. But still he got good marks, 85, 69 and 89 respectively from the 3 judges. Then Ayush spoke, softly spoken, good voice, good choice of words and examples and topic. Gestures were there. But if you're not able to score good points, not able to impress the judges very much, we got 68, 91 and 89. So the average was taken out. And the marks they scored was, I tell you now, wait for 1 minute. So the mark they got was 96, Aparajita. Nishchal got 94, Ayush got 87, and Shakti was given 84. Because the marks were not very high, difference of marks were very less. So the audience poll was taken out, in which 1 minute they have to vote for all the 4 candidates whichever they want to vote. So 1 more minute was given, and the result of the vote was this. You can see here. You see. The result is here. You can see. Ayush got 35.8% marks. Shakti was given the 31.1% vote. Nishchal got 11.13% vote, and Aparajita got 21.9% vote. So the average was taken out, and all the scores of the speech and plus audience poll, judges scored together. The final result was this. You can see. I can make a little bit. You can see here. So total was 110 and 90. So total score was 110 to the Radhavan and 95 to the Bangalore school. And as a result, we or the Radhavan International School won. This is the result for you to authenticate that we are speaking the truth. It is a proud moment for the English department. The HOD, Mrs. Muthira Pro, has done a very good job in preparing these students, plus other English teachers who are teaching in other international school also get the credit. But overall, the credit goes to the boys and the girl who spoke, to Sai and Ayush. My heartiest congratulations to them for winning the competition and moving to the next round. And because it is a proud moment for all the other ones, that being international competition, that too online for the first time they are participating, and they won and went to the next round. And I hope that in the next round also they will do as well as they have done now. So my thanks to all the people who voted for them, because it was the audience poll which made us win the match or win the debate. So credit goes to all the teachers, all the students in this department for voting in favor of Radha International School and making us to win it and making us a proud movement. And the credit also goes to the principals, Mr. Abdul Wadud Khan, as well as Mrs. Mumtaz Khan, for encouraging the students and teachers to participate in this competition. And the result is in front of you. So it is a very proud moment for all the Radhwans. And inshallah, I'm absolutely sure that they will be going to the finals and winning the trophy for us. That's all for today. With the happiest note, I'm signing off. Bye. Good night.